So one of my commitment now, try to revival of ancient Indian knowledge now in modern India. It's very important.
I'm sure, unlike the previous two projects which were commissioned to the filmmakers, I'm sure the leadership at DIR didn't ask you to make those films. So how did this come about?
Hello everyone. Actually, this film was made within a week actually. And at the end of last year, His Holiness was scheduled to give public teachings in Sarnath as well as in Bodh Gaya, and we too are assigned to cover this event. Actually, we were, it was during the New Year, so we had to go, and we are not really thrilled, to be honest. But after we came to Varanasi to cover the event, we realized that it's a very special place. Sarnath is one of the holiest Buddhist places. And after the Sarnath event, His Holiness left for Bodh Gaya, and Bodh Gaya, as we know, is also one of the holiest places. And if we observe most of the public teachings or the public talks that His Holiness gives, one thing that His Holiness always talks about is the ancient Indian knowledge. He always talks about the potential that Indian knowledge has, particularly in the modern times. And we realized that we had a discussion with each other, and then we said this 2018 is being marked as a Thank You India event, and we thought this revival effort that His Holiness makes is in a way a gift that His Holiness is preparing to give to the India. So we thought, keeping that as the concept, we actually made this film, and this all the footages that you see are entirely shot in Varanasi and Bodh Gaya. So this is how the film came into being.
It's a nice effort on the part of the filmmakers. It's a very short film. The first thing I would like to say that you must expand it.
I think one of the messages that His Holiness really wants to, give to particularly the Indian subcontinent is that the ancient Indian wisdom should not be misinterpreted as the message that comes only from the Buddha. I think his vision is much wider than that, and that he's always talked about a 3,000-year-old civilization. So this ancient Indian wisdom comes way before the time of the Buddha. And therefore, I think that there's a huge scope in this information and audiovisual channel to really, I think in a way, it's a sort of a wake-up call, I think, for India, basically, that there's something really to treasure, and that it's going to affect the lives of not just the people in this continent, but throughout the world.